Melt fondue chocolate. Fondue chocolate or chocolate fondue has definitely made its comeback in the list of popular party foods. This classy and sophisticated-looking recipe dates back to the late 60s and early 70s when parties had pots of them rolling for people to dip anything from fruits, crackers and other sweet delicacies. These days, however, you will rarely find people doing them at home, which make it seem like chocolate fondues are only made by the best chefs and specialists. As a matter of fact, fondue chocolate is quite easy and cheap to do, even if some restaurants charge a lot for theirs. Learning how to melt fondue chocolate can provide you with endless opportunities. As you know, its most popular base is melted chocolate, and with that alone, you have several varieties of food that you can just dunk in there. In addition, you can also flavor your chocolate to add some spice to perk up your senses. While fondue chocolate is often deemed as a perfect ender for a romantic dinner date, it is also great for parties or any sit-down gathering, since people will truly enjoy the play of picking fruit or cracker then dipping. Though intimidating, the process of making fondue chocolate is laughably easy. While you and your guests have the liberty to choose your dippables, all you will have to worry about is how to make the melted fondue chocolate. All you will need are the following ingredients and materials: a chocolate fondue pot, optional but preferable. Chocolate fondue pots have a burner underneath that keep your chocolate nice and warm. An alternative would be a regular pot. If you opt to use one, just place a mitt underneath before you place it on your table. 12 ounces of dark chocolate chips. If you are getting it from a block, just chop it roughly. 8 ounces of heavy cream. A pinch of salt. Dippables, your preference. A whisk. And now for the procedures on how. Just follow these easy steps. Warm your heavy cream. In a pot, put your cream and place it over medium heat. Bring it into a slow boil or just until tiny bubbles start to show on the surface. Add the chocolate and whisk. Once your cream is heated, you can now gradually add your dark chocolate and whisk continuously. Keep adding chocolate. Do the previous procedure until you are left with no dark chocolate. Keep whisking until the texture of your mixture becomes even and smooth all throughout. Additionally, make sure that your heavy cream and chocolate are incorporated fully. Transfer the mixture. Once your melted fondue chocolate is done, immediately transfer the mixture into your fondue or serving pot to serve. If you are lucky enough to have a fondue pot available, put the burner to low here, just to keep the mixture warm over time. Arrange your dippables. With your fondue chocolate ready, you can now arrange your dippables in a serving platter. Do not forget to put small skewers, bamboo or metal, on the side for everybody. Serve. Easy, isn't it? Now if your fondue chocolate begins to feel a little stiff as it cools, you can just add a teaspoon of heavy cream and whisk it in. This will help it nice and smooth.